Hi friends, I want to show you this rechargeable headlamp that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay. You get the user manual, okay. You get the headband and the charging cable, okay. This is a magnetic charging cable. Really easy to charge. But let me tell you that it has no battery, okay? So you have to buy the battery by yourself, okay? I got these Tokela batteries. Okay. We are going to install one. Okay. So here is the cable already connected to the USB port, and you can see how it turns blue. It means it has energy in it, and as soon as you connect it, it's charging. So it's like a magnetic connection, really easy, okay? So we're gonna charge it for a few minutes and then try it. Okay friends, so now that we charged the lamp with our charging cable, we are able to use it. And first, let me tell you that you can use it in different places. First, you turn it on like this, and you can change the intensity, keeping the button pressed like this. It will dim the light in 5 different modes, okay? So really bright and less bright every time. You have this clip for your clothes. So if you are working, if you have a working vest or whatever, you could use this clip to put it in your clothes, okay? Then it has a magnetic end here. So you could put it anywhere where there is a magnet piece or a metal piece. You could put it everywhere to work on what you are, on any project you have. And of course, the band head, okay? Okay, you put it in the band head and you can use it like this to work in your car in a special project where you need light and you need your hands free. You can change the intensity just by pressing the button and it changes the intensity, okay? If you are out camping, if you are working somewhere, if you are fixing something, if you are working in your home in some maintenance work, I don't know, in the bottom of your refrigerator or whatever, you can put this lamp anywhere and you will be able to work with it, okay? So I think it's really useful. You charge it really easily with this magnetic cable, and you can bring it with you in your head or in your clothes, okay? So perfect.